So let's talk today about unit converting. Converting of units when we use prefixes for units. It's very important thing to be able to do. Whatever part of physics we are studying, mechanics, electricity, whatever, it's all the time we meet the situation that we need to convert units with different prefixes. Okay, let's say we have 26 millimeters, 26 millimeters, and we want to present this in, let's say, kilometers. We want to express 26 millimeters as kilometers. Such a training problem. Okay, for to do this in the right and effective way, first of all, what we need, it's a clear vision. What is it milli and what is it kilo? Meters here, it's actually not that important. For example, it could be milliampere, 26 milliampere, and to convert it in kiloampere, or 26 milliwatt convert to kilowatt or whatever. But what is important, it's to have clear vision about milli and kilo. Okay, let's say what is milli. We in a short way we write like this, m. Okay, milli, it's to present it as a simple ratio, it's 1,000th part of something. In our case, it's 1,000th part of millimeter. Millimeter, it's 1,000th of meter. Let's present it as a decimal. It's 0.001. Again, it's 1,000th part of something. Or best way, most effective, most comprehensive, it's to present it as a power of 10. So it equals 10 power, what power? So it's 3 order of magnitude from 0. From 0, 1, 2, 3. So it's 10 power negative 3. Итак, milli, it's 10 power negative 3. What about kilo? Kilometers. Kilo. We write short way like K. What is kilo? It's 1,000. 1,000. Just 1,000. Let's represent it as a power of 10. It's 10 power 3. 1,000. We have 3 zeros after 1. So it's 10 power of 3. It's 10 multiply 10 multiply 10. And what we want, again, return to our problem. We want present 26 millimeters. We want present in kilometers. When we want to do this, to convert, we want to convert millimeters to kilometers. We want to have here kilometers, and we write here kilometers. What we want, we write. Okay, we wrote here kilometers. What in fact we did if we wrote here kilometers? We have this expression here, yeah? 26 millimeters. It has like two parts. One part it's numbers, and this part it's units. We had millimeters, and we wrote kilometers. What in fact we did? It's like we took this part and multiplied this on a certain number. What number? Let's look. Milli, it's 10 power negative 3. Kilo, it's 10 power 3. So from milli to 0, 3 orders of magnitude. From 0 to kilo, 3 orders of magnitude. So between them, 6 orders of magnitude, 3 and 3. So if we had millimeters and we got kilometers, it's the same as we multiply this part by 10 power 6, 6 orders of magnitude. But we have a sign of equality here. We need to keep left side and right side equal to make this conversion in the right way. Yeah? So if we multiply this part by 10 power 6 to compensate this, to preserve this equality, we should, as a step of compensation, divide this part by the same number, 10 power 6. Okay, let's divide 26 divided by 10 power 6. Okay, now is actually we did the conversion, but it's now presented as a simple ratio. Let's write it in one line. So it's 26 multiplied 10. What we want to do? We want move 10 power 6 from down part to up. When we do this, we should change the sign of power on the opposite sign. So 26 multiplied 10 power negative 6. Kilometers. 26 multiplied 10 power negative 6 kilometers. So now we did the conversion. Okay, let's do one more example. Let's say we have 8, what we have, nanonewton, and we want to express this 8 nanonewton, we want to express it in kilonewton. Okay, we already know what is kilo. Kilo is 1000. What is nano? Let's talk about nano. Nano, letter N. Nano, it's 1 billionth part. So it's 1 divided by 1 billion. Billion, it's 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's 9. Sorry, 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is nano as a simple ratio. We can present it in a decimal form. Again, it will be a lot of zeros. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. So it's from a 1 we move 9 orders of magnitude left. 3, 6, 9. So this is nano. This is 1 billionth part. Or we can present it as 10 power. So it's 3 zeros. So it's 10 power negative 9. So, okay, we have 8 nanonewtons and we want to present it in kilonewtons. So we had nanonewtons, we want to have kilonewtons, we write here kilonewtons. Okay, we write what we want to have. Okay, if we wrote here kilonewtons, what in fact we did? So we have two parts, number, units. We jump from nanonewtons to kilonewtons. By what way we did this? We kind of multiply these units by a certain number. What number? Let's look. Let's look at the difference, at the distance between nano and kilo. So nano it's 10 power negative 9. Kilo it's 10 power 3. What is distance? How many orders of magnitudes between them? From here to 0, 9 orders of magnitude. From negative 9 to 0, 9 orders of magnitude. From 0 to here, 3 orders of magnitude. So from here to here, 9 plus 3, 12 orders of magnitude. Okay, if we had nanonewtons and we wrote kilonewtons, it's the same as we multiplied this by 10 power 12. But we need to compensate this because we want to keep this equality, otherwise it will be not right. So to compensate it, we divide the number part by 10, same number, 10 power 12. Okay, so it's 8 divided by 10 power 12. Okay, so it's a simple ratio. Let's present it in one line. It's 8 multiplied 10. We move it from down part to up. And when we do this, we should change the sign of power on opposite sign. So it's 10 power negative 12 kilonewton. Okay, so 8 nanonewtons, it's 8 multiplied 10 power negative 12 kilonewtons. Okay, let's do one more. Now we did in the previous two examples, we did conversion from smaller units to bigger units. Millimeter to kilometer, from nano to kilo. Let's now convert from bigger to smaller. For example, we have 3 megawatt, and we want to express it in milliwatt. So we already know what is milli. Milli it's 1,000th part, or 10 power negative 3. What is mega? Mega. We write it in one letter like this. Okay, mega, it's very simple. It's 1 million. 1 million, it's 6 zeros. Mega, it's 1 million. Or we can present it as a 10 power 6 zeros, so 10 power 6. Okay, mega, it's 10 power 6. We have 3 megawatt and we want to present it in milliwatt. Let's look at the difference, so to say, the distance between mega and milli. Mega it's 10 power 6. Milli it's 10 power negative 3. So from here to 0, 6 orders of magnitude. Then we go in negative, on negative sides. From 0 to here, 3 orders of magnitudes. 6 plus 3, 9 orders of magnitude. We had mega, it's bigger, big unit. And we got here milli, much smaller unit. So it's like we divided by 10 power 9, because the distance between mega and milli 9 orders of magnitude. So to preserve our equality, our sign of equals, to compensate it, we should multiply this part, number part, by the same number, 10 power 9. Okay, so 3 multiply 10 power 9. So we can say that 3 megawatts, it's 3 multiply 10 power 9 milliwatts. I think it's pretty straightforward, and it shouldn't be any problems with this, and at the same time it's quite simple, but at the same time it's important to know how to do this.